Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone, SIM, and plan actually support 5G bands, otherwise you cannot force 5G. Once confirmed, update firmware, carrier settings, and any carrier app so the network handshake works. Now go into Settings Mobile Networks, enable mobile data, and set the preferred network type to 5G/auto. This immediately tells the radio to prefer 5G. If you don't see 5G, restart the phone after changing the network mode. Once done with basic settings, dive into advanced configuration to maximize 5G connectivity. You should verify or update the APN profile to the carrier's 5G APN. Incorrect APN can force LTE. If your phone exposes band locking or an engineering menu, prioritize common mid/high 5G bands such as N78 or N41 to increase connect probability. Also make sure voice over new radio, VoNR, or 5G voice is enabled when supported. Otherwise, calls may drop to 4G and keep you off 5G. You finish by validating the change. Run speed tests and check the 5G icon in multiple locations. If you don't see improvement, reboot the phone and the modem, then retest. Simple reboots often re-establish correct band registration. To isolate problems, try the SIM in another 5G-capable device. If the other device gets 5G, the issue is local to your phone. If neither device connects, call your carrier and ask them to provision or enable 5G on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.